Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cecilia Karemi Homestead. Today I'm going to make homemade cold and flu and dry cough recipe. So I'll first show you the ingredients that I'm using. So here with me I have lemon. I'm using lemon to reduce throat irritation, break down mucus, and also to boost my vitamin C. Lemon also have an antibacterial properties which help alleviate throat infection. I also have honey. This is honey. I'm using honey to reduce irritation also and to reduce the urge of coughing, and also honey helps to soothe coughs. I also have ginger. I have ginger with me. So I'm using ginger to reduce throat inflammation, and also ginger helps in fighting infection. I also have turmeric. So I'm using turmeric to boost my immunity. Also acts as an anti-inflammatory. It reduces the inflammation and it also improves digestion. Yes. I also have garlic. Garlic reduces throat inflammation and also it fights infection. So guys, now I have created ginger, turmeric and garlic, and now I will boil them. You let the water boil, then that's when you will add honey. Once the water has boiled, you will put honey. I add lemon juice. So my mixture is boiled. So now I can add honey. I'll add 2 spoons of honey. So I've made this tea and it's ready. Lemon, garlic, honey, ginger, turmeric. Yeah, all those combination. A healthy tea for dry cough, for cold and flu. Very good. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube my video. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. I will appreciate. So once I'm done here, I will sieve all this, and then I'll be left with the liquid only. So guys, my today's video it's done. Thank you for watching my video, and please kindly don't forget to press, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like the video and also comment and share. I'll be glad, I'll be so happy if you keep supporting me. Thank you, and thank you once and once again. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.